A car is moving at 60 kilometers per hour. But which direction? Does it matter? Let's find out. A scalar has magnitude only. Speed, distance, time, and mass are all scalars. Just a number and a unit. A vector has magnitude and direction. Velocity, displacement, and force are vectors. The arrow shows where it points. Students often confuse speed and velocity. Speed is scalar, velocity is vector. Same number, but velocity needs a direction. Remember, S for scalar means size only. V for vector means it includes a direction arrow. That's your exam tip. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.